Hello guys. Today I am going to unboxing Dell Latitude 3550N. Installation Windows 11 Professional. Here the first looks inside the box. UK type power cable and 45 West power adapter. The Dell Latitude 3550 laptop generally features a 15.6-inch HD display, a 13th Gen Intel Core i5 processor like i5-1345U, 8GB of DDR5 RAM, a 256GB or 512GB M2 NVMe SSD, and runs on Windows 11 Pro. It also has a 3-cell battery, various ports including USB 4, HDMI, and RAID 5, and a webcam with a shutter. Let's go to the installation Windows 11 Pro. Plug the bootable pen drive. And press the F1 to function key when press the power button. You can see the boot menu. And select the pen drive. Press enter. Booting the pen drive. Select the language. Select the keyboard region. Press Next. Select Street 1 Install Windows. If you have Windows key, type the Windows key. If you don't have one, you can select I don't have one. You can select you need Windows version. I am selected Win 11 Pro. Accept the agreement. Here is the partition table. Disk 0 mean your laptop storage. Disk 1 mean my bootable pen drive partitions. So select the disk 0 and select Create a partition. You can see the just created. Select the created partition and click Next. Click the Install button. Installing Windows. Now you can see the completing Windows files. Click the I don't have internet. If you connect to the internet now, you need to put the Microsoft account to the login. Give username. If you need a login password, please enter the new password. If you don't need one, ignore this, click Next. This is the new desktop Windows 11. Let's go to the How to Add Desktop icons. Right-click the desktop and click Personalize. Select Theme. Go to the down window. You can see the desktop icons menu. Click the desktop icon. You can tick you need icons. Then apply, OK. Let's go to the How to Update Windows and Drivers installation. Plug the internet cable to the laptop. The Windows search area, type Update. You can suggest the Windows Update menu. Click the Check Update. You can see installing Windows Update with drivers. You can see what the missing drivers are. Right-click the desktop and show more. Click. You can see the Manage. Click the Manage. Select Device Manager. You can see the missing drivers and will install them one by one using this update. Maybe going sometimes to complete this. Wait for till completed. If noticed restart required, click Restart and will restart your laptop and will show Windows Update. Wait for the completing down single quotes to power off. After the restarting the window, you can see the completed your missing drivers, Device Manager area. Thanks for the watching me. Please subscribe.